Hello and welcome to the Leathercraft Masterclass. In this course you might be wondering why I look a little bit different, and that's because I'm not actually wearing an apron in this video. Very slow taper that abruptly comes in. Over the back, and the idea is you want to have enough tightness around the midsection here so that if I was to bring my head forwards, this would go loose and the apron isn't actually dropping because the weight is held around the waist, and all the top strap is doing is stopping this from falling forwards. Otherwise you're going to get neck strain. So this isn't the only configuration that you can use, and you have an X formation over the back, and I'll show you what that looks like now. What I find for leatherworking is very simple, just to have the clams against the side of the apron here, and it really does stick. So it doesn't move around on you as you're stitching. It will start to develop a patina, and it will start to take on your body shape with your movement and your body heat. And the more you wear it, the more it breaks in, the more comfortable it feels, and it will just become an extension of you. So thank you for watching the making of a bespoke leather apron. If you do have any questions, head to our forum on the leathercraftmasterclass.com and hit the forum page where myself and many other artisans will be able to help you out. And it's goodbye from me, Phil, here at the Finch Leather Workshop. I'll see you in the next episode.